So the core ingredients for the nettle soup are obviously the nettles. If you look at these, absolutely all the tops, all the premium heads of the nettles. You don't want to go for the lower leaves. There's more chance that they've picked up a lot of dust, a lot of pollution, possibly pets. You know, pets have been around them or animals. So the tops, and also if you think of the sunlight at the top, it's much richer in nutrients, but also sunlight, so it's higher in chlorophyll. So always pick the tops. Slice up a couple of onions. We're going to use a whole garlic bulb, and then we're going to put in seasoning, which is going to be the sea salt, the pepper, and some ground nutmeg. You can add potatoes, it's entirely up to you. You can add milk. I'm going to use some dairy free. I'm going to possibly use, you could use soya, you could use almonds, you could use cashew nuts, anything. In this case I'm going to use almond milk. And then you can use either vegetable oil, but I'm going to use some coconut oil to fry off the onions and the garlic. So first things first, just going to wash these and make sure, you know, also the insects, anything like that. But I've been really careful in the way I pick them. So that's going to go into the water just to wash. And then another thing is that this, I can now use my vegetable stock that I've had, which is really good. You can see now all that vegetable stock. You know, I've had a bouquet garni in there, and leeks and spring onions, and broccoli, herbs and spices. You know, lots. So it's been really flavoursome. I'm going to use a litre of that. I can put it in the colander, but I'm just going to transfer, take out all the. You can see here. There we go. That's the litre of the vegetable stock. Put that to one side. The garlic cloves. Always nice to have a little bowl. So I'm just going to add a little bit of the coconut oil into the pan. I'm going to slice the onions. Jenna's just come home and she's like, what on earth has my boy been up to? Nettles, why has he been getting nettles? A little device here which is great for crushing the garlics with actually, so we're just going to, you can see there, that's all the garlic one. And then all of this is ready to fry off. Put all this into here. We're going to fry that all off. The onions are both fried off. I'm going to take that off. It smells absolutely gorgeous. Really good. Put that to one side. We're going to take the nettles, which have been just rinsing, and then we're just going to add all of these. So that's all the nettles added to the garlic and the onions. Just going to fry this off now. Just put the lid on, leave that to simmer just one side. That'll reduce down, and then what we want to do then is add the vegetable stock, and then we're going to season. So now that it's fried off, we're just going to take it off. You see it's slightly reduced down. Just put it onto here, and we're going to add the vegetable stock in here. And then we're going to simmer that. Right, so that's been simmering. We're going to take this off the heat here, and then we're going to season. So we're going to add some of the ground nutmeg, some pepper, some sea salt, and unsweetened milk, and then we're going to blitz this with my trusty bay mix, which is a really good blender. I'm actually going to put this head on it to begin with. Nice little sprig. And there we go. That is your nettle soup. Really, really underrated. So hope you really enjoy this. and enjoy the whole aspect of foraging, the nutrition, getting outdoors. Just go, while you're going for a walk, you can just pick some nettles and put it in a bag. Really easy. So I hope you enjoy. Take care. Be safe.